Welcome to the topic on end testing with Protractor. End-to-end testing is a critical part of validating the behavior and functionality of your Angular applications from the user's perspective. In this topic, we will explore how to write and run E2 tests using Protractor, a popular testing framework specifically designed for Angular applications. 1. Introduction to end testing. End-to-end testing involves testing the entire application from the user's perspective, simulating real user interactions to ensure that all components, services, and modules work together seamlessly as expected. Protractor is an E2 testing framework built on top of WebDriverJS and specifically designed for Angular applications. It provides various utilities and APIs to interact with your application and verify its behavior. 2. Setting up the Protractor environment. Before we can start writing E2 tests, we need to set up the Protractor environment in our Angular project. To get started, you need to install Protractor and WebDriver using npm. Additionally, you'll need to configure the Protractor configuration file to specify the test suites and browser settings. 3. Writing E2 tests with Protractor. Protractor allows you to write E2 tests in a human-readable and expressive manner using JavaScript or TypeScript. The tests are written as a series of describes and its blocks, similar to Jasmine's syntax. 4. Running Protractor E2 tests. After writing the E2 tests, you can execute them using the Protractor command. Protractor will use the configuration file to launch the specified browser and run the E2 tests in it. The tests will interact with your application just like a real user would, and you'll see the test results in the terminal. 5. Working with page objects. Protractor recommends using page objects to encapsulate the interaction with different pages of your application. Page objects provide a clean and maintainable way to organize your E2 tests. 6. Advanced Protractor features. Protractor offers various advanced features, such as handling asynchronous tasks using async to wait, configuring multi-browser testing, and running tests in parallel for faster execution. 7. Dealing with asynchronous behavior. Angular applications often involve asynchronous operations like HTTP requests and animations. Protractor provides built-in mechanisms to handle such asynchronous behavior, like waiting for elements to appear and disappear. 8. Handling navigation and routing. Protractor allows you to simulate user navigation and test routing behavior in your Angular application. You can verify that the correct components are loaded based on the navigation. 9. Implementing data-driven testing. Protractor supports data-driven testing, where you can run the same test with different sets of data to validate multiple scenarios. Summary. End-to-end testing with Protractor is a powerful way to validate the functionality of your Angular applications from the user's perspective. Protractor's integration with WebDriverJS and Angular's